Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of lag on Pixiv. You will click on settings. You will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. You will search for Pixiv. You will go to first stop and you will click OK. You will enter to storage. Sorry. And you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.